Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today is National Pound Cake Day. Oh, I just love pound cake. They are simple, easy, and delicious. So today, I'm happy to share with y'all another pound cake recipe. We're going to make lemon yogurt pound cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, bursting with yogurt goodness. And we're going to drizzle it on top with a lemon glaze. Everybody's going to enjoy this. And if y'all love lemon, this pound cake is calling your name. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions in the description box below. Also, check out my previous video, sweet potato bread. And for more pound cake recipes, check out my pound cake recipes playlist. I'll post a link to both of those in the description box below. So grab your loaf pan, your lemons, and your yogurt sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon yogurt pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our lemons. We need 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. That's the zest of 2 lemons. And we're going to zest it using the finer side of the box grater. And this is great to use if you don't have a microplane. And make sure you get the yellow and not the white, because the white is very bitter. Alrighty, I am through zesting my lemon zest. So we're going to put it to the side. Now we're going to juice up our lemons. We need 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. And we're going to use the lemon juice for the syrup we're going to put on the cake after it gets through baking. We're only going to put the zest inside the cake. And I'm using my sifter to catch the seeds. And make sure you roll the lemon. It'll make it nice and juicy. And as soon as I get through juicing my lemons, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through juicing my lemons. And we have exactly 1/3 cup. Now we're going to set this aside. Time to make the cake. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. We need 1½ cups of cake flour. And I pour it into my sifter and medium bowl. And into our cake flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. And sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like, and I'm just using my spoon. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. And I already pre-measured my flour, but I just want to show y'all how to get a nice, perfect cup. Fluff it up. And using my butter knife, we're going to level it off. Voila, perfect cup. So now we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. And into our eggs, we're going to add in our lemon zest that we grated. Again, that's 2 teaspoons. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of pure lemon extract, and last but not least, the yogurt. Going to add in 1 cup of lemon Greek yogurt at room temperature, and that's 2 5.3 ounce cartons. Going to whisk all these together until they're well combined. The best part about this recipe, no mixer required. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients a little at a time. And mix until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add and mix in 1/2 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil, until it's well blended, and be careful not to overmix. All right, my friends, our cake batter is complete. How simple and easy was that? Look how nice and whipped that is. That looks great. Nothing like the smell of lemon. So now we are ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We're going to pour it in an 8 by 4 by 2 inch loaf pan that I sprayed with baking spray. Now I'm going to shake it and bang it to release the air bubbles. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put this cake in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cake out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. And while that's cooling, let's make our lemon syrup. In my saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in our fresh lemon juice. Again, that's 1/3 cup. And 1/3 cup of white sugar. Stir until combined. All we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the liquid has came to a boil, so now I'm going to cut my fire off. And you see how the sugar dissolved? So now we're going to pour it on top of the cake. First, we're going to poke some holes in the cake so the syrup can just go down in there. And just spoon the syrup right on there. It'll keep it nice and moist. Alright, my friends, now we're going to let the cake cool completely, and then I'll place it onto my cake stand. And while it's cooling, let's make the lemon glaze. In my bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and sift, or you can whisk it if you like. And 2½ tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Whisk until it's well blended. Alright, my friends, our glaze is done. That's the consistency I'm looking for. How simple and easy was that? Only 2 ingredients. And our cake is nice and cool. Let's give it some sugar, shall we? We're just going to drizzle the glaze right on top, like so. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Lemon yogurt pound cake. Doesn't that look good? And off camera, I cut them into slices. Also garnish it with lemon slices. And look how moist it is. Fantastic. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I've got my plate right here, and I'm serving it with some whipped cream. And this is my homemade whipped cream. I'll post a link to that recipe in the description box below. And some lemon wedges. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Beautiful crumb. Look at that. Please have a bite. Moist and spongy. It just melts in your mouth. I can taste the lemon yogurt. And I love that lemon glaze on top, bursting with fresh lemon flavor. I'm in lemon heaven. This lemon yogurt pound cake is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm going to grab me some whipped cream. Yum-o. Lemon yogurt pound cake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.